How to use your DX, DY, DZ offsets in the elevation box. PractiCAD offers a tool which mimics the AutoCAD snap from or AutoCAD offset commands. All you need to do to use your DX, DY, DZ is first select an entity. I'm going to grab a fitting from our fitting bin. And notice that we're going to hold this fitting by the bottom right hand corner. So you can see that the crosshairs of this fitting are at the bottom right. And if we would like to be able to shift where we hold these crosshairs from, we can use the little DX, DY, and DZ keys in the elevation box. For example, if I put in a value of 48 inches into the DX and hit enter, you can see that my crosshair is now 48 inches over from the bottom right hand corner. In other words, if I snapped this crosshair to this corner of the wall, the bottom right corner of the duct would be 48 inches over. I could also say go 48 inches on the Y. Now I'm holding the crosshairs 48 inches over and 48 inches down. So this would be a way of just simply saying hold on to this point, and now when I click, the bottom right corner of the duct where we're now pivoting it from is 48 inches over on the X and 48 inches over on the Y. We can take our dimension tool, snap between our 2 points, and you can see we're 4 foot in both directions. So using your DX, DY, DZ keys is another way to offset objects from a specific reference point. One very important thing you must know is if you use them, you must remember after you're done using the offset tool to click on this little 0 here. This is the reset key, which resets all values back to 0. By clicking on it, all the values go back to 0. And now if I go to grab a fitting, I'll once again be holding it by wherever my Z and X state. So if I switch it to center, center, once again, we're now holding it by center, center. If I would like to hold it 4 foot to the left, come over to DX, type in 48, and now I'm holding the crosshairs 4 foot to the left. So I know if I snap to this wall, that fitting is actually going to be exactly 4 feet from the wall. That concludes the tutorial on how to use your DX, DY, and DZ keys in your elevation box.